Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the save as prompt on your Google Chrome browser in your Windows PC. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So in the Google Chrome browser, in the top right side corner you can get three dots option. Just click on it, and from here you need to open these settings. In the settings guys, in the left panel you can get the option advanced. Just click on it. Okay, and in the advanced, just slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option downloads. Just click on it. Okay, after this guys, in the right panel you can get the option asks where to save each file before downloading. So if you want to enable the save as prompt on your browser, just you need to enable this option. If you want to disable, just you need to turn off this option, disable this option. That's it. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.